Cody Dennis here.
Bill with Gadsden Freedom Outdoors.
Alright everybody, Dennis here. This is all Mr. Bill's work. So what you're seeing here is pick rails for your platform style rifles. These pieces are for elite press. This is a 9mm ammo tray. Look at that right there, imprinted on the side. This little piece here is an adapter for a GoPro mount. These three pieces here are for a flashlight, IR light attachment for the platform style. So these are all made on a 3D printer. And here what we have is speed loader. This is a 9mm speed loader. So I just happen to have my Sig mag here, so it makes it easier when you're loading your magazines. This one's already loaded, so when it's empty, you take the round, you put it here, and then you would push down, and it simplifies and makes it a lot easier to load the magazines, especially if you have issues with your hands or arthritis, injuries. Speed loaders make life easier. You can see here there's a little point coming out. This is the piece that pushes down on the spring to make it easier to load the magazine. So 3D printing, it takes time. Some of these parts could take from a half an hour up to 10-12 hours. This here, this is the hardware that you buy. It's the same hardware if you bought one of these adapters or pick rails. It comes with the hardware, but to buy the hardware itself is cheaper. To manufacture and build these accessories is a lot cheaper. So as you see in the video, the time-lapse video, Mr. Bill was making this speed loader here. So we wanted to show everybody the process of what we are doing now. Very soon we'll be able to etch these items and many different items with the Gadsden Freedom Outdoors logo. So instead of having the ridges here, you'll have the logo here. Or we can customize it as well. Very soon, items like this and many, many more will be available to be purchased through a link to take you to the website to purchase these. If you're interested in accessories like this, please leave a comment down below. Let us know what you would be interested in. We can make just about, if not every single make, model, caliber speed loaders. The accessories for the pick rail are standard size. So these are all test items here. Alright guys, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate each and every one of you.